Happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah, we're on the porch. Gabe is playing. So today's video is essentially the recipe in the video is going to be the garlic bread with the garlic confit. That's kind of like the star of the show. But initially, my idea was to do kind of like a day in the life, make dinner with us, you know, go grocery shopping, things like that. However, I have a sick kiddo. Hey, no playing with the water. Gabe's not feeling well. You'll probably hear him in the video crying because he's not feeling good. He has a stuffy nose. And that idea quickly got vetoed because I knew that I wouldn't be able to occupy him long enough for me to talk to you and get what I needed to do done. So instead, the video is going to be kind of like a glimpse of the day, and then the main recipe is going to be the garlic bread, which really is delicious. Say hello. Can you say hi? Say hi. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be a little bit of a different video, half talking, half not, but I really wanted to share it with you because I want you to kind of see what our days look like. So happy Sunday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I'm prepping for Monday, which I'm not looking forward to, but thanks guys. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out.
Okay, so I prepared a garlic confit. I don't know if that's what you call it, but or how you say it, but basically I'm just gonna bake the garlic in the super low heat. It's 275, so it's not super low, but I put garlic, olive oil, rosemary sprigs, and some salt, and I'm gonna put it in my 275-degree oven for about 2 hours, and it's gonna get soft and delicious. And we are gonna make this into our garlic bread spread. So we're gonna add some butter to it, and it's gonna be delicious. So into the oven it goes, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so I took the garlic out of the oven. As you can see, can you see it? It's nice and soft and wonderful. It makes me so happy. It smells like divine. I don't need perfume. I need cooking smells. That's what's good for me. All right, so what you're gonna do now is I'm gonna fish the garlic out, and we're gonna kind of smash it. Yes, baby. You want to help mommy? Can you see me? Okay. I'm gonna try my best to show you as much as I can because I know it's not the rosemary, so you can go ahead and take that out. If there's little pieces left, don't worry about it. I'm gonna put it here, and then we'll toss it. And I want to say, do not throw away the oil. Put it in a jar or anything, and you can use this oil because it's beautifully infused garlic and with rosemary. You can use it for anything. So don't throw that out. Put it in a jar when it cools, and then you're good to go. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna scoop out all of my garlic. You're gonna smash up your garlic cloves. Gonna set. I'll be right there, baby, I promise. Yeah, we're gonna hang out. You're gonna smash up your garlic cloves. Yes, sweet boy, what happened? Okay, this smells so good, you don't even know. In here I have unsalted butter that I kind of brought to room temperature, or I tried. I didn't take it out early enough, but that's okay. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna add your garlic into this. We're gonna make like a wonderful buttery spread. And then the garlic's gonna, because it's warm, it will get the butter warmer. Yes, sweet boy. And then we are gonna do some salt because it is unsalted butter. So do a little bit of salt. Oh, you're right. Mommy didn't close it. Thank you. And then we're gonna try to mix this up. Again, if you have room temperature butter, that works a lot better, but I don't. So you could see the heat from the garlic is melting the butter, which is fine because it'll solidify before we put it on our bread. So.
Be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right